Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own sugar wax at home. Right here, right now, I am spilling the secrets on making your own sugar wax out of one of the most secretive labs in the country. Tip number 1, watch your water. This is probably the most common mistake. And if you look at recipes online everywhere, I will tell you that 90% of them have too much water. So cut the water down, play around with it. Okay, tip number 2, slow is better than fast. Now, in the videos, you might see it coming to like a rumbling boil within minutes, and that is not really what you want. You have better control over it if you slow the process way down. Tip number 3, keep moisture at bay. And what I mean by that is that moisture in the air, the air pressure can all have a huge impact on your sugar making process. So you might not always get consistent results, but if you keep moisture at bay and make your sugar on a drier day, you're more likely to have a successful sugaring batch. Tip number 4, don't burn yourself. I don't know why this happens so much, but it really, really does. And sugar, when it's hot, it's not like hot tea where it just spills off of you and rolls off. It's like lava. It sticks to your skin and melts it off. So do not, whatever you do, do not try to use your sugar as soon as you make it. You gotta wait hours, wait for it to cool way down. Tip number 5. Consistency is key. Now, this is true whether you're sugaring with our sugar or you're making your own sugar, but sugar is really, really affected by the temperature of your skin and the temperature of the air. And when you're making your own, you gotta take kind of a Goldilocks approach. Not too hard and not too soft. You wanna get it just right. Now, last but not least, we have already done the work for you. So if you don't want to make your own sugar wax, get ours. It's reusable and one jar will last you 6 months. Happy sugaring!